Morning everyone. I'm going to talk through what I'd like you to do for spoken language lesson 3. You can see that our objective there is to recognise speech features. So we're looking at more a sentence level strategies for persuasion and successful speech writing. And you can see from the background there that we're going to use TED Talks, which is a really brilliant site that I'm going to get you to go to today. So last lesson, we focused very much on ethos as the first stage of persuasion, but I did ask you to watch the videos and understand all 3 stages. And what that gives you is kind of a structural overview of the 3 stages, 3 parts of your speech that you need. So we've looked at like the big picture and you've looked at planning. But now we need to look at a more sentence level persuasive techniques and techniques that are used in many speeches. So you'll have seen this before. The way to remember it, or a good way to remember some of those features, is forecast. So we've got facts, opinions. There's 3 of them: reader, repetition, and rhetorical questions. We've got emotive language, counter argument, anecdotes and alliteration for A, statistics and a strong ending, and triples. So that's a really good acronym to remember, types of sentences to include. We don't want to be really rigid and just focus on those, but it's a good way in to start looking at how they're used in speeches. So the first task that I'd like you to do is, on the next slide are all those forecast features and the definitions. I'd like you to draw a line and just match up those features to the definitions. If you're not sure how to find the line on the toolbar, I've created a purple one there that you can copy and paste, which is really easy to do. You just press the line, Control-C copies it, and then Control-V pastes it. So this is the slide that I'd like you to draw lines to, so you can see that they're all down the middle and you just match them up. Just means that you've got a bit of an overview then of what the features are, because they're used in not just speech writing, but all the writing techniques that you'll need for transactional writing for language paper 2. Okay, I'm going to pause this video here, and the second video I'm going to talk through the task using TED Talks.